Hello new friend. In today's video we're going to show you our new shelter system that Khloe and I use when we have to hunker down in the wilderness. And if you stick around till the end of this video, we'll talk a little bit more about ourselves, the places that we've been, and what adventures we have in store for the future. So Khloe and I always hunker down underneath a Tarp and Bivy, and in the past we have used the Outdoor Research Helium Bivy. It had served us well for the past 4 years, but recently we had ordered their new Helium Bivy that is much lighter and weighs in at a whopping 16.8 ounces. We had ordered it from a company called ENDWILD in Manheim, Pennsylvania, and in 2 short days it was at our front door. So kudos to them for a very fast turnaround. Now I know that there are a lot of people who will find a bivy claustrophobic and cumbersome, but it suits us just fine, as we are both snugglebugs. I'm constantly discovering new ways of keeping our trips as stress-free and as comfortable as possible. One little trick that I have is that I like to place our air mattress inside a sleeping bag liner. Doing this prevents little claws from accidentally puncturing our air mattress. At times, I'll pack a little squeaky toy for Khloe, and on cold nights, she'll wear her little boo-boo pajamas. Good girl. On extended trips, I like to pack along as much creature comforts as possible for Khloe and I, while at the same time managing a reasonable pack weight, as I see no need to live like savages. After all, on extended trips, our shelter becomes much more than a simple shelter. It becomes our home. So my name is Eddie. The little one's name is Khloe. She's a 5-year-old Maltipoo dog, and at the age of 10 months we had hit the road for the very first time, hitchhiking, backpacking, and simply wandering all over this country that is known throughout the world as the land of the free. I'm a mural artist, and together we live a quiet yet simple life near St. Augustine, Florida. I never had much interest for any social media platform until I had adopted Khloe. We have been throughout the Appalachians, the Rockies, and the Sierras. We hop, skip, and jump from national park or forest and hunker down in the wilderness at the end of each day. Like most, we have taken this past year in stride and can't wait to see what adventures the future will have in store, so I could perfect my newfound love of making little videos, as it gives me another creative outlet. We have been blessed with seeing so much beauty in our nation's landscape and collecting so many fond memories, but nothing can compare to the memories of the faces of the people we have met along the way. So here's hoping that one day Khloe and I will see you on down the road. What's that say? Outdoor Research Helium Bivy. What do you think about that, huh?